the awesome selfie king is Enrique Hill! Congrats to you, Enrique! Selfie king!
Wow, thank you guys so much. Well, it's my first time to attend the Push Awards. And I must say, this is an amazing experience. Maraming sa... To all the fans here tonight, maraming salamat, guys! Woo! Tsaka, since selfie king na rin, pwede mag-selfie sa inyo. Okay lang. Alright. Just hang on to this real quick. Alright, sa Instagram ko na po-post, ha? One, two.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Winner. Thank you guys, I love you.
Talagang active na active ang mga fans.